Good afternoon, everyone. It's Irfanali Moladina with RMI Professional Corporation. I hope everyone had a great week. I'm back again this week. Today I wanted to just touch on the topics of holding companies. Every so often we meet a new client and we discuss with them about the purpose and the importance of having holding companies. And what I wanted to touch on today was why we typically set them up. And if you ever need one, you can always reach out and we can obviously dig deeper into this discussion to see if it actually makes sense for you. So the purpose of a holding company is to separate your investments from your actual operating business. The reason we do this, there's a couple different reasons. The first, of course, is liability. Anytime you have an operating company, you're creating liability for yourself. When you have that liability, you don't want to necessarily have all your investments and your assets that you've been able to build up over time and actually have that in the same operating company. When we do that, if you ever get sued, it's putting your assets at risk. The next big reason is there's a couple different tax reasons for this that we set up holding companies for as well. The first one is in Canada, if your holding company actually owns more than 10% of your operating company, we can do a tax-free dividend. So what that means is you can take money out of your operating company, move it to your holding company, and your holding company doesn't pay any extra tax on it. So it's an easy way for us to actually move profits and assets out of your operating company into a separate entity. The other thing we also have to consider is when you keep investments and cash inside of an operating company, when it comes time to sell your business, do some restructuring, there could be some complications that could arise as well. So it's really important to actually look at your structure from the get-go when you're starting your business and see what makes the most sense, whether you actually need a separate entity to act as a holding company or if having just your one company is enough. Once again, I hope you all have a great week and thank you for tuning in.